Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alrighty everybody, there are to the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes we can, so smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel, and share this video with your friends. And time to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And also comment star drawing number for the comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Bojji Kage from Ranking of Kings. Hopefully y'all enjoyed as much as I did. If you haven't checked out the anime, make sure to check it out, because I'm sure you'll end up falling in love with it as much as I did. I really love the outcome and the colors, how it came out exactly like how it looks like in the anime, and I really love how it looks very simple, but it turned out really nice and clean. So hopefully y'all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure for some anime characters that I've drawn before, they're going to be really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.